Hey, what's up, D Squad?
Wagwan peeps.
We are here again.
Yep.
You know, we like to carry all along every little thing that we do. So there's this new crave going on, alright? There's this appliance fiasco going on, and everybody's raving over the air fryer. And to be honest, I see it and I was like, but Adrian really wanted to try it out, so
guys,
that one.
Me did actually willing to say, hey, I could spend on this. You know, now she's one always. She always say, hey, buy this, and I said, John, I could wait till next month, next time. You see me? But I see the one store have them air fryer. I say, oh, let me try it. About $14,000 I'll pay for it. So see it here. As you can see the title though, guys, and thing, we're up to a Christmas tree, but we are going to make some food first, because I'm really anxious to try this. Yeah, you know what I mean? So, what will I make, babe?
Adrian and look about in belly. So let me tell you what we got. So I got some chicken wings. And I have some potato wedges, and you look at them have seasoning on it. So season the potato wedges.
Mad.
And I have some, this is my favorite, sweet potato fries.
Mad.
I like sweet potato fries. So let's try them out. So for this air fryer, I'm looking for texture.
Yeah.
I'm looking for taste.
It's all like you'll grade it.
I grade it because the first time we're going to use it, so I want to see if it actually stands up to, you know, or is better than the original method of frying in oil. I mean, come on, if you can fry all the things without oil, that should be a big, you know?
Guys, this thing come with a cookbook. Separate from manual, it come with a cookbook, guys.
So we can bake in it?
I'll bake, I can bake too.
Can broil.
Watch out, yo. Make all pork chop and lamb chop. Watch out.
Look. I'm interested in making one of these. I'm gonna see. Cause we don't have enough egg.
Salmon.
Yeah.
All them something here. So never try it. Look at that. Cookbook. So we'll see how it go, guys.
Let's pull it out, see what it looks like.
Alright. Don't put it on your stove. I wouldn't do that. Look, watch out. Lord God.
Oh boy.
How which position did I do that?
Oh boy. This is what it looks like.
Yeah.
Yup.
What? Hear that? Jeez. On the controls, look confusing when them whole heap of button and something.
You have to read it precise. The day when you get it, I look through the book and I read it, and it's not confusing.
Okay, so you can help me then?
Yeah.
So like you read it, you can help me?
Yeah.
Alright, come tell me what we do. What's the first thing we do?
I wonder if I could do like a twist. I just saw it in the book and I could do that. Like I have my yeast, I have all my ingredients. I could actually do a twist.
Hold on, watch out. See it here? So
See?
the wings. So they must say 350 degrees. You see me? 25 to 20 to 25 minutes. You see me? So a mad thing. Alright, so I just click the wings and then we click preheat. It actually have a preheat first. Okay. Alright, so I go and read through this because see what I go on.
Alright, so
yeah, and of course, if you don't have any tips when you can share with me. Oh, it's a add food. Oh, so it's a add food.
Alright, so what would we now? Fries? Would we be frying?
We start with the chicken, man. Like that'll take longer. Yeah. Alright, so we have the wings. Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yeah, ready.
Ready. And that's it.
It starts. Woo! Nice.
So
Alright. So I guess while it's a cook, guys.
We can go set up the Christmas tree.
Yeah, exactly. We can go under the tree.
we could get other stuff going.
Alright, so Christmas tree time.
Yes.
Guys, we rise up the tree now. You get me?
Yep.
So
we got a lot of stuff. So let's keep to them from last year. This is literally opening up everything.
From last year, we packed them away.
So we made a garland last year. And this is it.
For that was hung on the door outside, innit?
Yeah, this was for the door outside last year.
Guys, Kyrie reach up to third shelf. So a lot of those stuff you see behind the TV and stuff we take out of the shelf them.
Yeah, if you notice everything is empty because we've had to be clearing out everything. So first we cleared out here, then he realized say him can reach up here. So and the guy get him so tall.
Yeah. We just put up them two there this morning because I just want to get the those are actually up on top, but I say they look ugly, so I just put them there just for the time being. But when Kyrie wake up, I can move them again.
You're gonna have to take them out. Alright, so you're putting up the legs. And this is our very first Christmas tree that we've ever had, guys. So
together as a family.
Yeah.
Alright, so it said turn food a while ago on the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, great. So let's do that.
Open it.
Yeah.
Once we open it, we will put it on a...
Hear the sizzling. When you hear that? Oh, it look pretty.
Oh, it is sizzling.
Here we go.
Alright.
Yeah.
Let's get it turned.
Yeah.
And it is crispy.
Yeah.
It is crispy.
Nice.
We got a winner.
Ah,
We got a winner.
mad.
Look, listen, this can save us all some money here. Because this can save on oil. Can really save on oil.
I run up your electricity bill.
We don't have to use
But
all
it's
this
but healthy. Healthy though. More, it's healthier.
Healthier. But we have to really watch the electricity bill though. Because JPS are liquid for 6.
Trust me.
Like a cricket we are playing
That
and never
one here,
win.
everything turn out?
Yeah, everything turned out. So
Alright,
look at
great.
it, guys.
Yeah.
And it smells nice.
It does, yes. The place smells good, yeah?
So this is how much wings. This is 6. This is 8 pieces of wings, and you could have taken more. You can take at least 12. Alright.
Yeah, mad. Anyway,
Let's get back to
the Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Legs are down.
Yeah.
You
So
see
we've
me?
had this tree for 2 years now, babe.
I say go.
Yeah, we've had it for a while. Like, this is the second Christmas or the third. This is the third Christmas we've had this tree.
Okay, alright.
And that's cheap, buy it, you know?
Cheap.
But it's like 1,800.
Down a town.
Down a town. Down a town. Come there then, help me fluff it out. Help me fan out the tree and make our tree big
And fluffy.
and fluffy. This Christmas tree has been like old faithful.
Yeah.
This is the third Christmas we've had it.
Well cheap.
And it's well cheap too. It really did cheap, man. I'm not gonna lie. Guys, okay. This is the TV. Adrian, I watch football.
You have to.
Adrian is playing FPL. And he's going crazy because him deadline passed, he make a change when he want to make for him team. And so he's watching this match with him heart in his chest. Great film, yeah?
Literally, guys, I don't know if you know about FPL Fantasy Premier League, so I literally have a change to make right in front of me and the deadline. I say I want to wait till right up to the deadline to make the change and I there and get busy and totally forget. But I
Kyrie
stress
has
it
stressed him
still.
out. Kyrie demanded his attention.
That's true. Kyrie, I've been busy this morning.
Yeah, and these things, you know, I know one time I buy them, and like every little year you buy something different, something new, and add to it. Yeah. I was tempted to buy a star this year, but I didn't. But I'm still, I don't know if I'm gonna buy it yet. It's a nice star. I know I have
One
a
from
star.
last year.
I have one
Old
from
one?
last year. Yeah, but we have an old star from last year. But I saw this nice one in Fontana and I'm tempted to buy it. Then we can't even decorate all that much because you know Kyrie is to start walking now.
Kyrie all over the place, guys. Kyrie I draw down everything.
Kyrie is creeping. Creeping.
Because he might walk, he might drive. Kyrie's not driving, in fact.
Yeah.
Kyrie's driving, so
And I lick down people.
all around.
And I lick down people. Put that in nice. He might lick you down with him something.
At one time, Kyrie run me down. Walker.
Oh, God.
I have to run from him because one time Kyrie licked me already and he hurt up my knee.
Oh gosh. Oh, End process.
Why this thing I done before you would have say Bob's your uncle. Whoa, look there.
Okay.
Look there, look there.
Look there, look there, look
The
there.
oil frying.
Yeah.
Wow.
Let's
Top
put
up, man.
in all this now.
Oh, you want that to go in now? Alright, pass our plate, baby. So it's just like that. You put in your food, it cooks, you take it out, you plate. And you have less clean up.
Like this?
Yep, plate it. Yeah.
Really crispy and flaky, no man.
Mm-hmm.
I love the texture.
Yep.
But man. Yeah.
Nice.
Sweet potato fries.
And they have a little coating on them too, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just giving it equal spacing so that, you know, everything can be cooked evenly.
Yeah. Alright, here we go.
Right. Right.
So we're gonna select fries up there now.
And once the basket comes out, everything is just there.
Boom.
Freeze.
Fries. Yeah.
Wow.
Alright.
These guys.
Click start. It'll preheat again and then it start. Alright, so
But you put in the chicken while it preheat.
Well, let's see what happens.
yeah. Alright, here we go. Oh, okay, so you go on with
Yeah.
make it fluff up.
Yeah.
Be a mess. You can't take the messy place.
So the tree actually looks a lot more fluffy with that garland in it. We actually have more garland, so we have this and we have that green one, but I'm gonna put the green one on there. So we could look, you can add more if you want. The butt is in the way. You can add more if you want, but we're gonna go and work with this. Yeah. So this is gonna go around the tree like so.
Like so.
Tree look good already though.
Yeah.
And it
Yeah, look
don't
good, eh?
finish yet.
Yeah. Alright, continue.
Look at big brother.
Right in time.
She wake up in time to eat, huh?
Wakey, wakey.
Hey boo boo, you were crying?
No, I wasn't crying.
Yeah man, see him eye there. I have tears. Say hi. Say hi guys.
Say hi D squad. What's up family? So we have our stockings from last year. Noel and welcome. Stockings. Like we got 4. And we got our little, we have a white candy cane. We have our little white flowers. This year, a lot of the stuff I actually got it in white, I think. Because I think white is a good base that I can always change my theme every year. Because every single year my theme change, honestly.
Look at these
Ooh.
fries.
Nice. Hey.
How is it?
Yeah,
They're
look good man.
crispy.
Wash your hand please, Jaden.
Nice man. Air fryer.
Air fryer.
Yeah.
Air fry.
Kyrie over there making a mess.
Wow, I'm sure I'm drawing everything.
That big baby.
Boy,
You big baby you.
I should
you catch them,
by
eh?
yourself.
The moment the camera, hey, the moment people take them eye off me, no man. Havoc, you know. Give me him. Come here, boy.
Yes, Emerald.
Come here, boy.
Guys, last year our theme was pink and blue.
Yeah, cause we were expecting.
Yeah,
We're
I
telling-
didn't know. When I was buying my stuff, my Christmas tree and stuff, I was so excited. I started early. I didn't know what kind of baby I was gonna have, is a boy or a girl. So we had pink and blue Christmas tree and pink and blue decorations. So, can you imagine? Now what happened to baby boy? Him literally bouncing. Him a bounce.
Literally, yeah.
Oh, babe. These were our first set of stockings.
Yeah?
Yes. Aww.
Nice, eh?
These can be carried to stockings this year. And then last year we got these. So, aww. With that baby. Come with that baby.
Guys, yeah? Lunch is ready. You see me? Yeah. See the wedges here? Alright. Okay. Alright, Jay, come.
I am so excited.
Alright guys, we're ready now. Yeah. So we have we have the wings, potato wedges, and we have the sweet potato fries. We have Kyrie, we have Kias, and we have Jaden.
I've been trying to
sauce.
I've been trying to get Adrian to try this sauce for a long time. And finally I get him to try it. I want you to tell me how it tastes, alright?
Yeah. It's so mommy not there. Mommy gone, town gone. Get some supplies for Jaden, because Jaden will be going back to real school January morning.
Yep.
You know, so mommy gonna get some things for Jaden, you know. But you hear it go. Okay, alright. So here we go, ready now.
Alright, cheers.
Alright, Kyrie. Here's yours. Here's yours. Yeah. Let me see what you do. Kyrie, yeah, yeah. Yes. 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 Alright. Oh, this is our sweet chili sauce. You see me? Let me show you it. Guys, let me show you it. Sweet and spicy pepper sauce. And a chili sauce is a cause it? It's a sweet and spicy hot pepper sauce. It's bad.
But like.
Yeah, it actually tastes good. Me did not take cast no bite now, but it actually tastes good. Because I don't know the purpose for it. But it's actually good. Alright, nice. Alright, up the ketchup too.
I don't want any ketchup.
Okay, it's fine. So we have a food.
What's in your mouth?
Carry a going night.
Your mouth look full up, you know?
Alright, man.
What's wrong? So why you want to come out of your chair when you're eating your food?
What's the matter?
Enough. A chicken, you have in there?
Potato wedges in there. Proper.
Or is it with your sauce? We taste it with the sauce.
Kyrie, want you?
Want a potato wedge? Come get a potato wedge. Potato wedge.
Trouble? Trouble?
No water?
Come get some.
The airfryer go on good though. Airfryer go on good.
You taste any of your chicken yet?
Alright.
It's where it's getting enough water, you know?
Chicken wings from the air fryer. Haha.
How is that? Nice.
It's so good. Chicken tender.
It cooked down to the bone? Let me see the bone. Okay.
It's good, man, and the joint is soft. Like, you know, the grizzly part against the joint. It bite off easy. Yeah? How's it, Jaden? How's it taste?
It tastes good. My second favorite part of the meal is the potato wedges.
The wedges? Yeah, it's good, it's good.
So let me taste the wedges with the sauce. Crispy. So the texture is good. The food cooked through. And the plus in all this is this is a lot healthier.
You're not so oily, definitely.
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
You're not so oily.
It's true. And just think about it. I mean, look at my hand. My hand have a little bit of oil on it still. So, and it wasn't fried in oil.
Yep.
Don't try to move on.
You enjoying the chicken, Jay? Kyrie? You enjoying it?
Hello. So we have some Christmas lights. Daddy have laser. So we use the laser to put it in the lawn and it shine on the house.
Look pretty, right?
Yes, it look
Yeah.
really pretty. The neighbor have some, but and it look really pretty. It remind me how pretty it is.
Yeah. You had gotten some afterwards, innit? Yeah, me don't put up hours yet.
Carry you same.
So what going on here so now, babe?
Alright, so I'm using this to make some little what you call them now?
Bow,
Some ball,
a
like
bow.
some little bows, yeah.
Ribbon.
Some little bows. I got the idea from walking in the Christmas store the other day, Christmas place. So I try to execute the idea that I saw.
Yes, no.
So I do it in a different ways. So I have this one that's folded like this, and then I have another one that's kind of broad.
Okay.
And I'm going to just make about 4 of them and put them on different sections of the tree.
Alright.
And then I'm going to use some of them on the garland that's going on the entertainment center too.
Nice. Alright. Your mother put together here pull up. Watch him now. Watch him. How we want chew? You know him mouth shiny. Hey boy.
What?
The white right around the mouth shine. Right around the mouth shine. Hey boy. Anyway, we are going to the tree. The tree a come on nice though, man.
How do you like it?
The tree a come on nice. Yeah. I like the little board them when you make them green board there.
Yeah.
I like the color coordination, you know?
I might put some more, probably put one more right here. So.
Yeah, proper man.
Where's some?
Watch Kyrie. I can't keep up. Honestly, I can't. Can't keep up.
Karen, I don't think like everything, eh?
What I mean, I tell you.
What are you guys doing?
I don't know the thing though. Christmas now, you see me?
Yep.
You know that the gungo after a part of the mix.
What are you doing?
Yeah. Gungo after a part of the mix.
What you doing? So no gungo.
Yeah. Me can't wait for you done with that tree there.
It's coming, the tree's coming.
And some poop in the back, you know? A pressure. Some beef soup for dinner. Watch Kyrie, stop it. Stop that.
Guys, these are one of the most beautiful I ever eat.
You're not eating this?
No, I ever see. One of the most.
Yeah. Yeah man, them nice man, them pretty for true. Watch out. Pablo, watch out. Them nice man, nice and pretty.
And them big too.
Yeah. No if a bad one not coming nice.
I just
Yeah, the right people to get it.
Yeah.
Hey, Kyrie.
I like
Hey,
them
Kyrie.
bad ones.
My razor come.
I like fine bad ones.
Why no ramping my razor come? Watch him. I lick down the tree.
It's
Hey, boy,
collided.
watch out.
Hey. Please.
Come.
So I know that this Christmas tree not gonna
yes.
stay up long, but for what it's worth, we're still doing it. Because this little guy here, I know this little guy here is gonna have a field day breaking it down. Yeah, rev up your engine, Kai.
Yeah.
Yeah, rev your engine, Kai.
Lordy.
Kyrie,
Hey.
Kai. Kyrie, yeah, rev your engine. Yeah, change gear. Hey guys,
Yeah guys.
welcome. This is the Delpart family Christmas tree. Oh, we're looking.
It look too bad, innit? Like it, babe. I like the color coordination and everything.
So this curtain come together there, guys.
Yeah, look
So all
good,
we
look
need
good.
now is our little present under our Christmas tree. I gonna work on some.
Yeah.
What are you getting me?
Don't worry, man. Cooler, man. Guys, see, she pull out the garland. So whip out the garland, yeah? And Jaden remind me, say, yo, Daddy, remember you have the LED lights? Remember a strip of LED lights, guys, we never use them yet. So Jaden said, Daddy, why not just use the LED lights? So I'm gonna whip them out and just tuck them behind the garland. Get a nice little look.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah. I still don't know what I'm doing with this. And I have my big socks that I need to put up. And I find somewhere to put that. But these, look at the sleigh. We have the sleigh underneath there. And we have the Santa over there. Jaden also gave me an idea. So Jaden said I should put lights in the sleigh and in the Santa.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get the little battery powered lights so I can put in there. And hopefully Kyrie don't mash them up. But they're there and Kyrie should be able to box them around.
But they're not fragile.
Yeah, and they still survive.
Yeah.
So, how we looking?
Look good, man.
I like it. I like it. I think I can stick this in somewhere.
I'm gonna put up my LED light outside. Laser light. Yeah, I'm gonna put that outside.
So we're gonna
right now.
We're lazy this year, see man, because that we're not do it.
Yeah, we'll do that right now.
Guys, we're setting up the light outside. So
we turn off this thing here.
Oh, you remember?
Suppose all have different mode too. I don't know why this not work. Watch it like it not work. Yeah.
In the night though, it's gonna look a lot more bright. So guys, thank you very much for joining us on another The Patroen Family video. It was awesome. Being with you guys today, they can chit chat.
Oh God.
But remember to subscribe to The Patroen Family if you haven't already. Turn on your post notification bell. Ensure you're setting it on all and listen. Check
every
it.
time, guys.
If you don't see video from us for 1 hour a week, 2 hours a week, something is up. Alright? Check the channel, check the post notification bell.
Yep.
The setting.
Should be on all. That's true, man. For real.
Alright? Give us a thumbs up if you like our content. Share our content. Binge watch our content. And share the love. Alright? Bye guys. Walk good.